In the beginning, God's voice resonated through the void, and from that primordial silence, existence itself was born. Darkness lay upon the face of the deep, and the Spirit of God hovered over the waters, gentle and watchful.
And God declared, "Let there be light," and light burst forth, radiant and pure, dispelling the shadows.
And God beheld the light, and saw that it was good. Thus the light was separated from the darkness, each in its own realm. And so God named the light day, and the darkness he called night. And there came to pass the evening and the morning, the first day of creation. And God spoke, and the waters began to shift. A great expanse rose between them, forming the sky, stretching wide and clear, separating the waters above from the waters below. So God formed the great expanse, lifting the waters above and setting apart the waters below. And just as he commanded, it happened perfectly.
God named the great expanse Heaven, and as day faded into night, the second day of creation was complete. God commanded the waters to gather in one place, and the dry land rose into view, exactly as he willed it. God shaped the dry land and called it earth, while the gathered waters became the seas. And when he looked at what he formed, it was truly good. God spoke, and the earth sprouted life, green grass, plants with seeds, and trees bearing fruit, each producing after its kind. And it happened exactly as he said. And the earth stirred, bringing forth life. Tiny shoots of plants pushed through the soil, each carrying its own seed, while trees stretched high, heavy with fruit, each fruit holding the promise of more life. The third day ended. Night fell, then morning broke, marking the... God placed lights in the sky, dividing day from night, marking seasons, days, and years, a beacon of order in the vast darkness. God made the lights in the sky to shine upon the earth, and they did. And God shaped two mighty lights, one blazing to command the day, the other softer to guide the night. With a quiet sweep, he scattered the stars across the sky, and God placed the lights high in the sky, positioning them perfectly so they could shine down and brighten the whole earth. Day blazed with strength. Night wrapped the world in calm, each taking its place by God's command. Light and darkness stood divided, perfect, balanced, and God declared it good. Night faded into morning, completing the fourth day, another perfect step in God's unfolding creation. And God spoke, "Let the waters teem with living creatures, and let birds soar across the skies above the earth." Life bursts forth, filling the seas and the heavens with motion and wonder. From the roaring deep, great beings rose. Above, wings flashed into the newborn sky. Life poured out like light across sea and air, and God saw it was good. And God blessed them, commanding life to spread, filling the seas with movement and the skies with wings, multiplying across the world. And so night faded into morning, the fifth day completed under God's unfolding creation. Then God spoke, and the earth stirred to life. Creatures of every kind emerged, the cattle, the crawling creatures, and the wild beasts of the land. And just like that, it happened. God made every animal, wild, tame, and crawling, perfect in its kind. And he saw that it was good. God said, "Let us create humans in our image to reflect us and have authority over all living creatures on earth." God made humans in his image, both male and female, giving them dignity and purpose. God blessed humans. Be fruitful, fill the earth, and govern all living creatures.
God gave humans all seed-bearing plants and fruit trees for food.
God gave all animals green plants for food.
God saw his creation and declared it very good, perfect in every way. The sixth day ended.
And so the heavens and the earth stood complete, every detail finished, every realm full. On the seventh day, God ended his work, and on this day he rested from all he had made.
On the seventh day, God rested. He blessed it, made it holy, a day of peace, a sacred pause in creation.
These are the generations of the heavens and the earth, on the day the Lord God made them, a world formed by his hand, ready for life. No plant had yet grown on the earth, no rain had fallen, and no one tilled the ground. The world awaited life, still and untouched.